Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a perfect potting soil for Dracaena Marginata. For that you will need the black soil, perlite and coarse sand. So the first thing, we need to remove the old soil. As you can see, the roots are bounded around the pot. Okay, but this soil is the old one. We are going to change it to the perfect one, mixture of course. So first thing, I need to just remove it gently. Okay, just easy, do not rush. Okay, okay, now we have removed the old soil, as you can see, with the help of water. You see how roots do not cut the roots, okay, because we need them. Okay, now the perfect potting soil I'm going to put in the same pot. Okay, so I said black soil, perlite and coarse sand. So it's going to be a 3 trowel of black soil, 2 of coarse sand and 1 perlite. So okay, 1, 2 and 3. Need to be 1, 2 coarse sand, and 1 perlite. We are going to mix that all. Because we need a good drainage soil, otherwise the root is going to rot. Okay. Okay. So I need to put mix that. So maybe in a short time we are going to need a bigger pot, maybe, but for now we're going to focus on the soil. Okay, Okay, I have finished putting the plant back in a pot, as you can see. When you're done, you can just use water to water it, not too much. Don't forget to water with the distilled water, because it's sensitive to chlorine from the tap water. That's all. If you like this video, hit like and don't forget to subscribe.